Hi y'all, I'm Cayman, and welcome to Animal Crossing. So, I got the island kind of cleaned up of all the items. I just don't have the island cleaned up from all the pathing and the inclines and moving all the houses. I've been busy outside of my house. I know I can take my Switch with me, but when I leave my house, there's not really any time to play. I tried getting some Disney Dreamlight Valley in the other day, and aw. Anyway, what I was saying was I couldn't get much playing done. However, I could bring my laptop and write, so that's that. But it's easier to put down and pick up a laptop writing than it is to pick up and start playing a video game. Go to the mailbox. There we go. This is the last Happy Home Academy of the year. I didn't realize this, but behind the flowers, where the wall was, there was more pathing, so I don't have to worry about the flowers going nuts. Of course, I can't go in the building, because, well, it's kind of blocked. I feel like I should, dress up. But yeah, everything's cleaned up, except for the weeds. See if I can find the daily DIY. I need to pick up all these shells. I mean, as you can see, there are summer shells in winter. Because I haven't picked them up. I think I accidentally hit a button. Now that's a gyroid. And also I need to do something about this river. Ah, there it is. I think I have that. Yep. Alright, goals for this upcoming year. Yeah, honestly, catch up probably the same. I don't remember my feeling last time I moved because I was 7. Well, actually, I was just turning 7 last time I moved, so it has been a long time since I was 7. Yeah, goals for this year is get everybody's villager photo. Try to get all of the achievements that I can. Basically, I want to 100% this game within the next year. So I need to catch more fish. I need to get more bugs. I need to get the last bug. I need to dive some more because finish this one. I guess I need to make more tools. And make more furniture. And get more materials. Well, I can probably do pretty quickly. I just need a mystery island. Oh, I need to cook more. And sell more fruit. And of course this one. That one's the hardest. It's hard doing good deeds, but I mean, because they don't pop up very often. Oh, it's gonna be hard. Well, actually, I guess it's passive. This one, I have issues with. But I'll get there eventually. Okay, I guess I gotta start sending letters. I just gotta make 2 more perfect snow people. And help Wisp 5 more times. Go to a couple more KK shows. Go Cap'n Islands more. When's the next fishing tourney? Probably sometime in the spring. Because 7 is July, 10 is October, January. Here's the bug off. Yeah, I definitely need to do 2 more bug offs. I guess there's one in the spring and one in the fall. I also need to get the other golden tools. You get the golden net when you catch all the bugs, and what's the last one? But yeah, I have golden watering can, golden net, holy fishing rod. Oh yeah, golden shovel. I need to help Gulliver. I mean, I've already got the achievement, but it was the wrong Gulliver. Sorry about my nose. That's why I sound so nasally. Anyway, first it's, my nose, I guess it's allergies, I don't know. Ooh, more black roses. I don't need black roses. I can get the wood I need right here on my island. Hi, boys. I think I already have a globe, so I don't need that. But I don't think there's anything in the cabinet I need today. Yeah, I don't need any of this stuff. And I definitely don't need this. And I actually watched a video recently talking about The word for this thing is on the tip of my tongue. I want to say menorah. It could be totally wrong. If there's anybody who's Jewish watching this, please correct me. But yeah, I was watching a video about this thing, and they were saying if they're all like, if all the candles are like the same height and stuff, it's not kosher. So this thing's not kosher. Because I think the middle one has to be either raised or lowered. I forgot exactly what it was, but if they're all the same height, it's not kosher. I'm not Jewish, so I wouldn't know. But you learn something new every day. But I do like to learn about other cultures and religions and stuff. I find it fascinating. When my mom was on Earth, she was in a religion class at college. She went back to school when I was in high school, and I ended up sitting in her class, and they were talking about reincarnation, and we watched Groundhog's Day. So that was fun. I forgot what religion they were talking about reincarnation. But it was really interesting. Because I think there are a few religions where reincarnation's a thing. Honestly, I think reincarnation's kind of cool. I would like to be reborn as somebody else. But I don't know if that actually happens or not. I am so close to getting this one. Alright, did I shake this tree? Yeah. Lucky, be careful. I have an axe. I also haven't got rid of all the trees yet. Yeah, go ahead, sit there. But yeah, I do have all the items up. There we go. That's all these trees. Ooh, wrong thing. Oh, I'm so close. I do need to get rid of these trees, though. Let's see, did I get rid of... No, I did not. I mean, I don't need the net, but I do want to pick up these apples. You in the comments, why don't you guys tell me your thoughts, like, on reincarnation and whatnot. Do you think it's cool? Do you think it's lame? Do you think it's not real? Like, I want to know the consensus, you know? Because I think it's cool. And I don't even believe in it. I think I just got... Yes, I did. I just completed this one. Nice. But I need to cut these trees down anyway, so... Good. I'm just glad I didn't have to pick all of it up for it to count. Pretty sure I already have all of the fruit in my inventory already, in my household inventory, so I don't need the fruit. It's fine by me because I need to sell it. Oh, the stock market thing's gonna be annoying. Okay, I have to blow my nose. I'll be selling these bees and the fruit. Sold. I didn't get anything, did I? Nope. I got a lot more fruit to sell. Alright. I believe I have everything already in my inventory. I also want to redecorate my house. Because this is kind of getting a little stale. Yeah, I definitely want to redecorate this. I love this room down here. And these are the villagers' photos I already have. I don't have Kit Kat anymore. Or Tia. But I have Lucky, I have Fauna, I have Ketchup, I have Zucker, I have Shino. I don't have Apollo for some odd reason. But yeah, I do like this room a lot. Can't tell what those posters are. Celeste and Blathers. Oh, they're the, Hello Kitty posters. Sanrio. Yeah, I really like this room. However, the rest of the house needs work. For example, I hate this room. Ugh. This room's a mess. It's supposed to be like a workshop, but it's a mess. Got a random assortment of stuff. I love the little attention to detail. The switch makes a little clicking sound. Anyhow, I came in here to change clothes. But yeah, this house needs a makeover. I was working on a makeover of this kitchen a little bit. The kitchen's not so bad. I wish video games weren't allergic to purple. Because I have a purple laptop in real life. But it only comes in like pink and blue in the game. And black. Which is lame. I mean, I love black, pink, and blue, but they're not purple, you know? Purple's my favorite. I like pink. I love blue. I love black. But purple's my favorite. Also, why don't the counters... Why aren't they the same height as the kitchen thing and this thing? You'll notice they're a little taller. I like the tile though. Except the tile on the floor. The tile on the floor needs to go. Actually, go back. Do I have a better flooring that I can order? more bathroomy. Looking for a tile. This kind of feels bad for me too. Okay, so I don't have any good flooring for the kitchen. Also, that's a rubber floor, so it doesn't really... Alright, I guess I'm doing a house door. Jeez, my nose. Right, this room isn't as bad as it used to be. It's a little cooler because I got like galaxy wall and galaxy floor. But at the same time, it definitely needs a little TLC. Like, I want to earn that ass, you know? And last but not least, we have the bathroom. Feels like every room has a switch in it. Except for the bathroom and the kitchen. The bathroom, I actually like. It's pretty good. It's pretty cool. Feels very spa-like in here. Especially with the music. But, yeah, the rest of the house needs an absolute facelift. Oh yeah, I was coming in this house to change clothes. I need to get out of my cleaning outfit and get into a party outfit. Because I'm time traveling to tonight. And I'm celebrating the new year. Early. There we go. Perfect. Oops. There's a set of stairs there. I kinda just got up, okay? I got up at like 8 something. Alright. New year. Save me. Yeah, I need to fix this situation. But I ran out of time for the year, so hopefully I'll have the island finished by New Year's next year. 2026. Alright. Save complete. Close. System settings. Time to time travel. go 1150. I have a lot of goals for this year. If y'all want to drop your New Year's resolutions, if y'all want to drop your New Year's resolution / goals in the comments, be my guest. I'd like to read them. One of my biggest goals for this year is to get a Steam Deck, and also to buy an RV because I want to move out of my dad's house. And of course, I can't buy a flippin' house. So I'll get an RV off of Facebook Marketplace or something. There we go. I knew giving myself 10 minutes would be a good idea, because the loading screens take forever. Hey, buddy. His hat kind of looks Kendlish. Everybody's so cute. I think I wore the wrong hat. Oh no, wait, I'm matching Tom Nook. There's 7 minutes. Did I talk to everybody? Did I talk to Raymond? You know what, Nook, can I get a different hat? Nook, can I get a different hat? I guess blue. It won't go with my dress, though. You got any purple? It doesn't go with my dress, but I'll take it. Anybody not at the party? Yeah, Fauna. Is Ketchup at the party? I think she is. Fauna, why aren't you at the celebration? Oh, we're matching hats. Cute. I guess, she's celebrating New Year in her living room. Great. I think everybody else is here. No, wait, I don't think I saw Cherry. Yeah, she's not over here. Early. Why aren't we at the celebration? Well, she has got a TV, so she can watch the ball drop on the TV. Heck, I'm not even really celebrating tonight. I gotta blow my nose again. Everybody else has a glow stick. I don't have a glow stick. All I have is party poppers. I think I got a glow stick in my inventory. Hold on. Wrong button. I'll put the party poppers up. I also don't need this New Year's hat because that's not the fashion this year. I wish it was purple, but I'll take blue. Alright, I killed a little time. There we go. Now I match with everybody. Yay! I'm fun at parties. I don't get invited to them very often, though. I'm just being silly. I love Apollo's star glasses. That's cute. He's all dressed up too, with his little shirt and tie and Tian Shang's in a bow tie. And Zucker's in a bow tie. And Raymond's in his little vest. He's always business casual. Isabel and Tom look cute. Oh, there goes. Facing the wrong way. Nine, 8. I'm not in sync with everybody else. Happy New Year! Yay! And everybody stopped waving theirs. I think everybody else is doing this one. Oh, there's the party poppers. Alright, I'll do that. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna end the video here. And I'll see y'all in the new year. Bye!